Everyone says AI prints money, so why isn't your bank account full? Here's what's actually going on. AI tools, things like text generators, image makers, and code assistants, are real, and they do something genuinely powerful. They take work that used to require years of practice and squeeze it down to minutes. Writing a product description, designing a logo, building a simple app, tasks that once needed serious skill and serious time can now get done much faster with the right AI tool. That part is completely true, but here's what the hype always leaves out. AI is like getting a professional power drill when you used to only have a hand screwdriver. You can build furniture way faster now, but you still have to know what to build, find someone who wants to buy it, and actually show up to do the work. The drill doesn't do any of that for you. So what does a real income path actually look like? There are a few that work. Freelance writing and copywriting, where you use AI to draft faster and keep the extra margin. Selling digital products, templates, graphics, short ebooks, created with AI tools at a fraction of the old cost. Building simple automations for small businesses, think a chatbot that answers customer questions automatically, or a scheduling tool that saves a shop owner an hour every day, or producing YouTube and social media content at a volume that simply wasn't possible before. These are real paths. People are making real money on them right now. A 2023 Upwork survey found that over 60% of independent professionals were already using AI tools in their paid work. That number tells you two things. 1, this is already happening everywhere. 2, the window to get a head start is closing fast. Here's where most people get stuck. The bottleneck, meaning the thing that's actually slowing you down, has shifted. It used to be, can you even do the skill? Now it's, do you know what good output looks like and can you find people who will pay for it? Judgment matters more than technical ability now. Quality control matters, and finding buyers is still entirely on you. One more honest thing worth saying. A lot of the make easy money with AI content online is itself a business. The person teaching the method earns from selling courses or ad clicks, not always from actually doing the thing they're teaching. That doesn't mean the methods are fake. It means you should test them, not just watch them. AI-generated work still needs careful instructions, editing, and a real customer at the end. Micro tasks might earn you tens of dollars. A well-built AI automation sold to a local business could earn thousands a month. The range is enormous, and it depends on your niche, your consistency, and your ability to reach the right people. AI has made the gap between having an idea and having something real to sell smaller than it has ever been in history. The bottleneck was never the tools. It was always the decision to start.